Hello everyone and welcome to a new episode of DevBlogs. It's been a while since last episode. We are mostly working on game AI right now, so there's not much visual updates. And actually this game is mostly programming work, so there is not much that can be seen directly, like new levels or animations or something. You have that stuff too, but current game design built around mechanics you can do with your characters. And they're pretty complex and take some time to be done. Right now we are developing systems that will control character behaviors. It is the most complex game AI that we ever done in our games, so we learn a lot during process. We are making mistakes and then rewrite some code. Just a quick example of simple yet complex behavior. Let's say you want to build a bed so your characters will sleep after a hard day of surviving in zombie apocalypse world. So a bed needs 20 wood to be crafted, just a random number for testing. So this 20 wood may be in one character's inventory, or it may be in some box in some car, or 20 wood can be distributed between inventories of all of your characters. So they need to carry it one by one to build in place. Component gathering work need to take all those possibilities into account, and even then there still can be unexpected things happening. For example, a character that was carrying wood dies and drops it on floor, he was attacked by zombies or died from hunger or disease. Or what if a car in what you wanted to build a bed explode while your caravan was attacked by marauders? Our AI system needs to be prepared for all these situations, as it makes game more fun and brings more replayability when different events can be combined with each other, but it also makes programming more difficult to take all those possibilities into account. And component gathering is one of work types that characters can do. There is a special menu where you can change each character's possible work types, just like in Dwarf Fortress or RimWorld kind of games. As there will be skill levels for each work type, you may want to manage appointments and priorities to optimize your caravan. We already implemented some works that are using this system, like gathering components I mentioned before, or car driving. Now, if during caravan movement driver dies, or you change driving work appointment in menu, the other characters that can drive takes his place. And if no one can drive or everyone dies in a car, a whole caravan is stopping. So this was mostly programming stuff, and I also wanted to share a little art update with you. Car menu now looks more closer to original idea of paper notebook with different bookmarks. There are bookmarks for front upgrades, back upgrades and buildings inside car. And also car passengers menu with cool pixel art scroll. It is still mostly dev graphics, but it better represents general UI idea. Same for character menu and inventory menu, they also have bookmarks. This yellow bookmark with set text will open inventory settings, where you will be able to choose what item types will be stored in this particular inventory. Also, bottom bar is more thinner, with different menu buttons on the left and caravan stats on the right. Craft UI did not get many changes since last time, but there's also a bookmark here that opens possible craft recipes for a workshop. Looks cool as for me, much better than original programmer graphics. We have a lot of ideas for game art. For example, these blank backgrounds will represent actual backgrounds with data from global map. So if you will have forest on global map, it will be actual forest on background with trees moving on wind. Or if it will be a huge lake, it will be actual water in background with sun reflections on it, and so on. It will bring more atmospheric feeling into a game and just more interesting looks. But right now we are focused on finishing basic list of AI requirements, and after we get all things working and balanced, we will fill visual gap. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you liked our game idea, and share this video with friends. It will help us a lot to get feedback from people who are interested in our game. Thank you for watching and see you next time.